people all exulting will follow us, the steady kill, the western dream and daring. But oh hearts, oh the bleeding draft of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is loud, for you the bugle kills, for you bouquets and ribbon wreaths, for you the shores are crowding, for you they call the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. Here, captain, dear father, these are beneath your head. Is it some rain that on the deck you fallen cold and dead? My captain does not answer. His